Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the reporting engine within Veeam 1, a part of Veeam Data Platform Advanced and Premium Editions. Right now I'm in the Veeam 1 web client and I'm greeted with the familiar face of the Veeam Threat Center. For this example, I'm going to come over here to Compliance and I'm going to click on Report Catalog. So this is going to give me access to all the reports that Veeam 1 contains. If I click on one of these screenshots here, I get a quick preview of what I can expect that report to look like. Now, if you used Veeam 1 in the past, you might notice that this report catalog has a fresh new face to it. In this example, I really wanted to show you one of my favorite reports within Veeam 1, which is the immutable workloads report. So if I go ahead and search for immutable, this is going to go ahead and take me straight to that report. I'm going to click on this here, and now I'm going to be able to scope the report based on my requirements. I can scope it by infrastructure object. So if I click on Veeam Backup and Replication, you can see that I have 2 backup servers added in here. I can also scope specifically to backup repository if I just want it to show me one backup repository and what immutable restore points and workloads that I have on there. I can also scope by business view object, protected workload type, job type, a specific job if needed, and then I can detail my immutability targets. So if I want to target a immutability period for 30 days, 25 days, I can set that here and it will automatically filter the report to show me those workloads that are hitting that immutable target and those workloads that are not. So I'm going to go ahead and click preview, and this report is going to quickly render here for me, and we're going to be supplied with a brief summary of what is going on in our environment. So if I take a look at here, I get some good data points. So I have 190 workloads that I'm protecting. Out of that 190, 14 are immutable and 176 are not. So I know for a fact that I have some work to do to make sure that my data is protected and resilient. Now if I go to report data, I can drill down here and get exactly which workloads, how many restore points are immutable, and also the oldest immutable restore point. One thing I really like about the reporting engine is that it is dynamic. So I can come over here and click on this auto size all, and this is going to auto size each column for me so that I can actually read the full object name and get the data here in a nice clean format. I can also switch out the columns. So if I wanted just to show me workload, the available restore points, or immutable restore points, I can easily filter that here to show me within the report. If I scroll down, I can actually see the mutable workloads as well, and I can go ahead and say, okay, double check these workloads. Do I need them to go to a backup repository with immutability set up, or are these workloads okay to not have that setting set up? Now, each environment is going to be different. Each business has different requirements. So this is a great report that you can go ahead and double check to make sure that your data is protected. Now, you can also download this report to a clean CSV or a PDF. When it comes to a PDF, you can change the page format here, and then you can also change the page orientation. Let's go ahead and export this, and this is going to quickly export this data into a PDF format for me, and I'm going to be able to show you that here quickly. So let's go ahead and click on this. Let's open it up. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. So you can see that brief summary of workloads, if they're immutable or not. I also get these great pie charts and graphs that I can see how I'm doing with my resiliency with my data, and I also get those details as well that I can be able to print this report out and give it to any key stakeholders in my environment to show them that I am protecting our data. Now, if you are using Veeam Data Platform Advanced or Premium Editions, what's great about that is Veeam 1 is integrated right into the Veeam Backup and Replication console. So if I come over here to my Veeam Backup and Replication console and I come down here to Analytics, I once again am going to be able to see that familiar threat center letting me know how I'm doing with my protection in my environment. And then I also have access to that report catalog, allowing me to run that report right within the Veeam Backup and Replication application console. To add to this, we have Veeam Intelligence Advanced mode, where I can go ahead and ask it questions that I would need it to answer. For example, if we wanted to know what reports can help with compliance, all we have to do is type that in. So it's going to assess this question, and then it's going to perform some tasks and get the information that I need to help me with meeting my compliance requirements. So now that we've gotten this answer, if I scroll up to here to the top, you can see there's the Security Compliance Analyzer. It's telling me its purpose, how to use it, what it checks. You can also run the Security and Compliance Analyzer report and get that all detailed in documentation. You have an automated remediation script. It's telling me that can help meet these recommendations. Compliance reports within Veeam 1. And some more recommendations that it can give to me. So I hope this helps you get started using the reporting engine within Veeam 1 and Veeam Data Platform. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.